Sit it over there.
Today we have a variety of garden projects that we need to work on. First, I need to get this hose unwound so I can water some plants. I also need to prune some plants, and I'm also going to fertilize some plants. So join me today as I do some yard work. I did my best to get you a video of the Zinnia seedling progress. They're very small. I don't know how this is going to go because I planted them a little late. I'm going to go ahead and get my fertilizing supplies out. This is the watering container I use for my liquid fertilizer. I did have a continuous fertilizer in my cart. I just haven't pulled the trigger on that. The liquid fertilizer is free at the local garden center, so it's just very convenient. I just have to get myself over there to pick it up. Chubb's got me these great containers to put them in, so I can get quite a bit when I go. I really need to finish this container. This will be the last of what I have, and I will need to go get more. I need to prune this geranium back, and it seems a little floppy. Some of the blooms are like half bloom, half burnt. So I'm just going to trim it back. I'm hoping it'll allow the bottom to grow in a little bit more thick and lush and fill this container up. You can see it in this video, and you probably saw it in my May front garden tour from last week. I have started drip lines in these beds. My husband helped me with the initial portion, and now I'm at a place where I need to just get it finished because watering all of this stuff is a very tedious job. I have 4 hydrangeas on this side, 6 on the other, and it just takes me so long, especially with the annuals as well. I really don't know how I'm feeling about this big blob of Shasta daisies. A lot of them are flopping. I don't know if there's just too many here. I'm probably just going to leave them there for now and see how they go. What? Clean your room up. I noticed the other day that some of these king tut grasses were flopping over and very thin, so I decided I needed to prune them off. I would like them to grow thick and straight up the middle, so I'm going to try to prune some of these floppy ones off and see how they grow. What's up, Tip? There are some tall grasses down by the carport that I need to get watered, so I'm going to extend my hose so I can reach. My husband has installed quick disconnects on the end of all of our hoses and our hose attachments, which makes it super convenient when we want to make them longer or make them shorter, change the tops of them. So I'm very thankful for that. I literally could walk and stare at my garden all day. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video today. I hope you enjoyed it. Maybe got a little inspiration. If you would like to follow along, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.